Today I'm going to show you how to create an addition problem using the Math Learning Center tens frames. So the first thing you're going to do, since we are adding up to 10, we are only going to need this tens frame. So you click it and it's automatically on the page and you can drag it around. There are red and blue counters, but also at the bottom there are different pictures that you can use. So I'm going to create an example using the counters and then another example using the pictures. So you can create any addition sentence that you would like. So to create that, you're going to click down here on the equations bar and you can create your problem. And it can only be up to 10. So you're going to pick two numbers that are less than 5. So I'm going to do 3 plus 4 equals. And I'm not going to write the answer yet because I am not sure. So the first number is 3, so I'm going to drag 3 red counters onto my tens frame. So the red represents the 3. Then we are going to add 4 more. So we're going to use blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all together we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. You can write your answer using this pen tool at the bottom. Three plus 4 equals 7. And for our second example, I'm going to add another tens frame. We are going to use the pictures. So you can choose to either use the colored dabbers or counters or some pictures. So you can change the color of them by clicking these droplets at the bottom. I'm going to use a yellow starfish. And I'm going to change the bottom color to red. So I have, we have to create another addition problem. Remember, the numbers have to be 5 or less than 5. So I will do 5 plus 4 equals. And I'm going to drag this underneath my new tens frame. So we're going to add 5 starfish first. Another thing you can do, instead of dragging them all, there's a 5 right here. You could click that and drag 5 stars onto the tens frame. And then there's not an option for 4, so then at the bottom, if we want to change this to the red starfish, we're going to drag 4 more. 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. And all together we have 9. I was able to know that this was 9 because I know that one whole tens frame is 10, and there's one empty space, so that would be 9. But let's count just to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 equals, go back to our pen, 9. And you only have to create one for your assignment. So you could use any pictures you want. Please just make sure that you use 2 different colors. And then to screenshot, I have attached the links to the bottom of the assignment, or I can show you a way that I like to screenshot. So if you have a PC, you're going to go to Windows. At the bottom, you're going to type in Snipping Tool. And then it's Create New. And then all you have to do is create a square, and you simply copy and then paste it onto a Word document, or you could save as and save it as a photo. And that could be an easy way for you to submit if you prefer to. Or you could screenshot it. please have fun and create your own addition problem.